programming concepts in two different programming languages. They are Python and C++ programming language. Tokens. The bricks are used to build walls. So bricks are the building blocks of a wall. An element is composed of atoms. So atom is the smallest particle of an element. Same as that, a token is our smallest individual unit in a program. If you break the program into smallest unit, you will get different tokens. So what are the different types of tokens? Types of tokens are identifiers, constants, keywords, special characters, and operators. Let's discuss types of token in detail. Keywords and identifiers. Can you see the number of seeds over there? I will name the blue seeds one by one. Raju, Rani, seed 3, seed 4, seed 5, seed 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. But I cannot name those two red seeds because they are reserved. So I can give any name to the blue seeds, but I cannot name red seeds because red seeds are reserved. So that is the difference between keyword and identifier. Keywords are reserved words. The programmer is not allowed to change its meaning. They are predefined. But identifier is a name given to the programming element by the programmer. They are user defined. I can give any name to the identifier, but have to follow some rules. So what are the rules we have to follow while naming an identifier? So rules for naming an identifier. Rule number 1. Identifiers should begin with alphabet or underscore. Example: student underscore student 1 student. In these examples, student and underscore student are allowed, but 1 student is not allowed because you cannot start an identifier with a digit. 1 is a digit. Rule number 2. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers. In C++ programming language, int, float are keywords. In Python language, global is a keyword. So you cannot use int and float as a name of an identifier, or you cannot use global as an identifier in Python. Rule number 3. We cannot use special characters in an identifier. In the given example, Raju @11, Ravi $4.1. In @ and $ are the special symbols, so they are not allowed. Rule number 4. Identifiers are case sensitive. Lowercase and uppercase are treated differently. Student in capital letter is not equal to student in small letter. They are treated differently. Rule number 5. There is no limit on the length of the identifier. Rule number 6. Even though there is no restriction on the length of the identifier, short names are preferred by the programmer. There are two identifier names: calculated sum of two numbers and sum. The first one is not preferred by the programmer because that is very long. Second one is preferred by the programmer, that is short and convenient to use. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share.